The 990 AR case has been designed by the enthusiast for enthusiasts, featuring details that even the most demanding marksman will appreciate. Engineered to fit a standard 36 AR-15, along with some space for up to 8 magazines, the case can also hold a pistol and 4 universal handgun single or double stack magazines. The case comes with all foam fillers in place, so you can custom tailor the case to your individual requirements. Equipped with 2 locking PSA compliant latches and polyurethane wheels, the 990 AR case will protect and transport your rifle in complete security.